Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off auto call recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if you have enabled auto call recording, if you receive incoming call or if you make outgoing call, auto call recording will be initiated automatically. Okay, see here, call recording is initiated automatically. Okay, so if you want to stop this call recording for all numbers, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the call button here and go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here, and then go to call recording and just to turn off this button, numbers not in your contacts. Under always record, just to turn off this button, or also click on select a numbers and turn off this button. Okay, so that you will not get any call recording if you receive call or if you make a call. Now check, I am going to check it in my phone. Yes, I'm checking. I answer this call, and when answering, it's not going to record. It's not recording. Okay, so in this way, you can easily turn off auto call recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.